Okay, in this section we're going to show you how the subscriptions work. So we've been able to add subscriptions to virtually every area of the Sourcing Secrets tool. So first I'm going to show you in products. And basically in your downloads, whether you're looking at main categories, subcategories, or even in your store section, when you are looking at individual competitors, you can have any of that subscribed to. So I'm just going to select a main category. So let's say toys, for example. And then once you hit download, you'll see there's a subscribe button here. So we can hit subscribe, and as you can see, it pops up that that category has been added to your subscription. So now when you subscribe to anything, you're going to get a subscription every day. So every day you're going to get an email with all of your subscriptions in it. So please be aware of that. When you start subscribing to things, you may not want to subscribe to hundreds of things because it's going to send that as attachments in your email. You won't have to ever come back to select that again. And then I'll show you in the settings where you can remove it, but you're going to get these 4 files sent emailed to you every single day, so you won't have to keep coming back to get it. But with that, you're going to get those files emailed to you every day. So just the toys category is 4 files with 25,000 lines in it. You're getting 100,000 lines of data for each main category subscription you do. So that can get big pretty quickly. The next thing, if we go back to toys, and then we have all of our subcategories. So we pulled every subcategory for every brand, or for every main category. So the 23 main categories you see, we have all the subcategories in there. So we've gone through the API and traced down subcategories, going to each one, pulled all those subcategories, and so on. So now you can select any of these, and you just hit the plus, and you're going to see subcategories under that until there's no subcategory. So under toys, there's games, and under games is all of these. But under games, there's games and there's games accessories that have subcategories under that. So we're already at toys, then games accessories, and then game pieces. So this is 4 subcategories deep. Something that big is not going to have a ton of data. So, be aware you're not going to be getting a lot. The more subcategories you go down, the less you're probably going to see. So at any of these levels, you can select games and then download all of the, download the top few thousand from there, or games and accessories, or, game pieces, and so on. So if you want to get all of the game pieces sent to you every day, the top few thousand, you can just select that, or select any category or subcategory you see, and then just go to download. And then again, you have a subscribe button. So if you hit subscribe here, you can download it now or not, but you can subscribe, and it's going to send you that in the same email every day. So it'll work on main categories, it'll work on subcategories, anything that you see. And then it works as well for stores. So there's a subscription page button here in the works that we're working on and should be implemented in the next couple of days. So you'll be able to subscribe to any or all of these that you want. But if we go to hit the storefront button, we'll be able to see, you'll see the subscription button for any of these as well. So you don't even have to go to the download page or any of that. You can just select whichever one of these stores you want and hit the subscribe button. And we just have to wait a moment until the table is updated. So once it updates whichever list you're on, and this goes up to 100,000, We'll get to that in the storefront video, so refer to that. But anything you want to subscribe to, like if you want Amazon Warehouse Deals, you just click the subscribe button, and you'll get a pop-up that says successfully subscribed. And you can do that for any, or again, as many of these pages as you want. So now when you want to go to your, go look at your subscriptions, you just go up here where it says welcome and whatever your user ID is. We're just going to click on the drop down and click on my account, and it will populate with all of your subscriptions, including all the ones that we just subscribed to. So all you have to do here is, if you want to get rid of one of these, once you notice you're getting way too many in your email, you can just hit the minus next to it. It takes about a second to update in the system, and it will disappear. So you can just delete as many of these as you want, and the next update you won't get those anymore. And then just hit save, and you'll be all set. And that's all there is to it, guys. We'll see you in the next video.